Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad Azim bin Ibrahim. My matric number is B1125103337. Today I will show you about how to use multimeter. This is a multimeter. So, a multimeter is used to measure voltage, resistance and current. So, the first one I want to show about how to measure current, how to measure voltage. So when we are using to measure voltage, we need to turn the probe into this indicator. Lepas tu after that, if you want to measure resistance, we turn again into the resistance symbol. And the last one is if you want to measure the current, we need to change this into this, so we can start measure our current.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Yunis bin Ismawandi and my matrix number is B1125121325. And today I will explain to you about how we can measure current for DC voltage. First of all, we must have resistor and the power supply. First, the negative terminal must connect to the negative terminal, while the other terminal is not connected to positive because we want to measure the current. Current is equal in the series circuit, while not equal in parallel circuit. So we must connect the probe in the series manner. For the probe, we must change this to the end. Then we turn this to the end for this DC. After getting, we can just use the first probe from the red probe on the positive and the negative probe on the leg of the resistor, and we will get the value of 0.003 ampere or 3 milliampere. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zafran bin Abdul. My number matrix is B11251099. Okay. Now we will show you how to measure resistor by using multimeter. So first thing first, we take the breadboard and then resistor, which is 1 kilo ohm, and then we put the resistor on the breadboard like this. Okay, now we take the multimeter and then we turn on the ohm to the ohm like this. So how to measure? We put the probe on the resistor like this, and then we have the 0.992 kilo ohm. That's it. Assalamualaikum and good. Assalamualaikum, my name is Adam Haris bin Suhaimi and my matric number is B1125103313. And today I want to teach you all how to measure voltage using multimeter. First of all, we have to get one circuit. Because why? Because we want to find voltage. That means we have to using DC power supply and multimeter. First of all, we using resistor to get a circuit. We put the first leg at the positive and like that, positive and negative, and then we go to the multimeter. We turn to the volt, and we using DC. Because why? DC power supply. Okay, now we have two probe, positive and negative. positive red color and negative is black color. How to measure voltage? We just put positive at the positive side. Wait a minute. Positive at the positive side and negative at the negative side. Okay, we look at the multimeter. We get 3.302. Why we get 3.302? Because DC supply, we supply 3.3 volt. That means we get the same supply from multimeter. So for me.
And now we use multisim to measure the resistor. So first we put the resistor, and then this is a multimeter. So we take the terminal positive, put to the resistor, and then terminal negative to the resistor like this. And then we turn on the green button, run button like this. Okay, and then double click the multimeter. So this is a result in the multisim 1 kilo ohm.
Okay, welcome back. Today I want to talk about how to measure volt using multisim. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I do a circuit, and then we get the probe from positive to this side and negative for negative side. Wait a minute. Like that. Okay, and then when we get that, we just run the multisim and just double click this. And now we take from positive side, we take the probe to the positive side, and then from negative side we take one line to negative side, and then we just run the multisim, and wait a minute, we double click from this and we get 3.3 volt. That means the volt supply from voltage to circuit same in the multisim.
Right, this time I will show you how to measure the current in multisim. First of all, as you can see here, the circuit is in series, so I just remove this part and connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal, and the negative terminal to the leg of the resistor, and just run and tap it, and we will get 3.3 milliamp. So the value is equal to the value that we measure using meter. That's all for me.